What is true happiness for you?
I think true happiness, if you feel comfortable inside, I think it makes you feel happy. And also, if you just feel self-satisfaction, I think it brings happiness. And of course, plus one more thing, and I think this is very important. If you have good people around you, yes, it helps you make you feel happy again. I think, of course, this is my personal opinion. If you have good people around you, if you have self-satisfaction, and if you just feel comfortable inside, that's okay.
Who is a global citizen? Are you one? How does it feel to live in Turkey as a global citizen?
I think that the global citizen is a person that is tolerant enough and accepting enough to live in a foreign land. Because I come from a culture that is very different to yours. I expect people in Turkey to respect my culture, but of course, it's not as important as me respecting the culture of the country where I am. So if I try honestly to understand your motivation, the reasons, if I really try to understand your culture, your language, your food, the way you like having fun, your values, then I can consider myself to be a global citizen. And if with it I also feel happy, then it's the best.
Can you only be a global citizen by living abroad?
Okay. If you want to just be a global citizen, you don't have to just live abroad. You don't have to live abroad because if you care about the global values of humanity, you are already a global citizen. It doesn't matter just where you live, okay? Because global citizenship is an idea that just puts you beyond national barrier.
If you had a chance to choose, would you like to live with your family or with your friends?
Of course, family comes first. Family comes first, but I think people should know how to combine family and friends. So, if you just combine family and friends properly, I think this may be the best combination ever.
If I had a chance to choose, I choose again my family. Because our family can help me. Stay near to us, they protect us and love us, but they don't want to help us. They just want to our success and happiness. Friends can help you, stay near us and love us too, but they can't help us all the time, and they can change too.
Like I wanna mix them. Like I have choice. Like if I choose one or the other, I will choose them both because they're both important in a certain way. Like friends, like they got your back, but family, like they raise you, so they can't be like uh, they could like be one. It should be like together. They should be together. It's like a tea. A tea for me, a tea is not a tea without sugar, and sugar is not tea without tea.
What would you work as if you didn't come to Turkey as an English teacher?
I have always worked as an English teacher. I'm a linguist and teacher by profession. So even when I studied, I had private students that I taught English. But I'm also a teacher. So I used to work as a model. So some time ago, I used to teach children how to catwalk, how to do catwalk. So I was a catwalk teacher, and I was an English teacher, and I was an acting teacher as well. And then when I moved to China, I taught teachers how to teach. I was teacher's trainer. So I think I would be a teacher all the way, even if I didn't come to Turkey.
Which difficulties do you face working and living in Turkey?
Um, I love living in Turkey. It's very easy However, living in Turkey and working in Turkey are two different things. I come from a very strict culture. I don't really show my emotions that much. I like talking about business if it's business, and I don't let many people too close to me. And if I don't want to know how you are doing, I will not ask you because I don't care. But if I ask you, I care. And for me, I see so many warm people. For example, when I got married here, I didn't tell anybody, but all the kids knew somehow, and everybody came to me and they said, wish you happiness. And then I see people in the street when we were having a photo shoot. I saw people in the street, they were wishing me kind old soon, like and all that. And it was so nice because in Russia it's not like that. In Russia, it's your life, keep it. I will not tell you many things about it. But here it's very different and people are very supportive. But I think that sometimes I'm expected to be a little too, and I'm not like that. So that is difficult for me. But that's the only thing.
Did it take you long to adapt to this new climate here?
It took me nothing to adapt to the climate here because I love Turkish climate. I hate winter. I cannot stand cold. I just I feel so joyful when I feel hot and when the weather is nice outside and I can see a blue sky. However, here in Edirne, I think the winter is still cold. 1 month I was freezing, but it's just 1 month. I can tolerate that. So it was quite amazing winter.
If you were the creator of the world, which world would you create, or how would you change the world you live in right now?
If I were the creator of the world, I wouldn't create guns to prevent wars. And also, I wouldn't create feelings of selfishness and greed. Without these, the world would be a better place, I think. Thank you.
If I was the creator of the world, I wanted to create a peaceful world and also a world that everyone is happy. There won't be any thief, any bad person. Everybody should be happy, everybody should love themselves and the other people. If I was the creator of the world, nobody can argue.
How can we become a better global citizen?
A global citizen is a useful person for the world. He or she helps the world to be a better place. I am not a global citizen yet, but I want to be one.